Katy Perry and co-writers call Dark Horse decision a travesty of justice. Video provided by ABC News. The writers of S song Dark Horse, who were found by a jury to have infringed on the copyright of Flame's song Joyful Noise in a $2.78 million decision this week, issued a statement today calling the decision a travesty of justice. The writers of Dark Horse view the verdicts as a travesty of justice, the statement reads. There is no infringement. We will continue to fight at all appropriate levels to rectify the injustice, the statement concludes, presumably meaning that, as expected, an appeal is in the offing. The jurors in the copyright case came in with a judgment that Perry should pay the Christian rapper Flame Marcus Gray $550,000 after Capital will be responsible for paying most of the $2.78 million balance. Lawyers for Gray and his co-writers had asked for nearly $20 million in the damages phase of the trial, which began Tuesday, after the first phase in which the jury ruled Gray's song had indeed been copied. Defense lawyers, these defendants have made millions and millions of dollars from their infringement of the plaintiff's copyright, Gray's attorney, Michael A. Kahn, said in court. Countered the defendant, the plaintiffs contended that Dark Horse was responsible for $31 million coming into Capital, counting not just profits from the single itself but the album and live DVD on which it appeared. Capital disputed. Essentially, Gray's attorney wanted to argue that Dark Horse was responsible for virtually the entire success of the entire Prism album and its offshoots, while Capital wanted to argue that, as one of 13 songs on the album or 16 on the deluxe edition, the album's earnings should be divided by that many numbers. Clearly, however, that process may take months or years, as an appeal seems likely. A motion from
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.